Andy's so excited.
We better build a PC. We're going to Micro Center.
What?
It's a place for nerds.
No. It's where you pick
Parts
for your computer if you want to build one. So you've been here before.
Mm-hmm.
What are you looking for?
I'm coming to check out prices, processor, motherboard, things of that sort.
And for the people who don't know what this means,
I'm not smart enough to explain that to you, fortunately.
so Andy's been crying to me for probably 2 months now. Oh, look it. That he wants to build a PC. And I don't want to because in the living room, I feel like it's going to be too cramped, but he's a good husband. He should do what he wants. That's cool.
You like?
Yeah.
Is it too big? This one's the one that I really want is that one over there, but it's in black, one in white.
He's sleeping. He stayed asleep. His little pantuflas.
Super in white. This one.
But it's black.
This one's black. I want it in white.
We went to the doctors and they said no infections.
This is cool too.
Yeah.
Not small, huh?
Yeah. That'd be cool. Does equal like the colors?
I mean, this one has good look.
Yeah. Well, why is there different sizes? Depends how much power you want.
How much you want it? How much crap you want to put in there? So you can do stuff like this, where it's liquid cooled.
To cool it down?
Yeah.
Oh.
Or you can do fans.
That'd be cool. But isn't there the risk of it
Yeah, there's the rest of it leaking.
exploding?
Stuff like that.
Yeah, I like that one.
But I'm gonna put my own lights in there. It's cheaper.
Yeah. Eric actually sent me those lights. I don't know what strip lights or whatever. They were on sale.
What's your light?
Like the ones in the kitchen. What is this?
Motherboards.
The motherboards.
This is what I was looking at.
So what is this? Like what the main thing?
Yes and no.
Oh, music.
No.
Yeah. Are you happy?
Yeah.
He was so excited when we were walking in. My little gamer nerd. They pay them commission here, so they're literally circling us.
They want our body.
Someone's awake now. Wanna push it? It's real. I wanna take one. I'm gonna take it, I don't care. That'll work. I need a scissors. Hey guys, editing Pam here. I just want to say that
I stole this plant, right? And I was propagating it and trying to get it ready and all that stuff. And I ended up with a swollen eye. I guess I reacted to it, or I don't know, but my eye was swollen. So I guess that's what I get for stealing a plant. All right, don't steal, guys. Okay, bye.
I didn't do anything. I didn't steal a plant. Well, we both got what we wanted today. Andy,
Step one.
all week I've been telling you I wanted this plant.
See, it was a good thing.
Coincidentally, it was in there. I think not.
God blessed us. I got what I want. She got what she wanted.
Right, Zeke? Zeke?
Man, life is, great.
Sir.
Hey, Tom.
Hey, Sam. You on speaker. What's up?
Y'all are more than welcome to join us tomorrow, y'all. I didn't apologize for not extending the invite to y'all.
To what?
That's why I hadn't invited you, and I was like, I didn't think about it.
Invite us to what?
To do the financial feature anniversary joint.
No, it's because you don't love us.
Yeah, I know.
We're second
I
choice.
invited Zeke, but he told me he ain't had no finances.
That's a guilt invite now.
Zeke got finances. He got his little piggy bank and his savings account. This is my favorite part. It gets me every single time. I'm really into EDM music for the people that watch Spam. And Zeke's very hangry right now.
We all are.
I bought new pants. They're burgundy. Check out, not sponsored, Poshmark, great place. Guys, I'm a step closer to building my PC.
Oh yeah, you should elaborate on that. What did you buy today?
I bought my Ryzen 7 2700X processor with my motherboard that was on clearance, and I got it for a bundle for an extra $30 off. So I saved a lot of money today, and I'm very excited. It's the most exciting part of my day today.
Why do you want to build a PC?
Because I really like to play video games. And there's so much you could do on a computer that you don't get offered on a console, whether it's indie games that haven't come out yet, and they always get stuff first. And going into a PC game setting, you're playing, a step above. So it should be fun. I'm excited.
Isn't it cheaper too?
And it's cheaper. And you can buy games off of Steam for $10 off of anywhere. It's a lot cheaper
But
to
you
play
can
video
play
games.
your Xbox, you can plug it into your PC if you wanted to, too.
So, in the near future, I'm building a desk with my brother. They call him the Woodsman. It's a nickname that someone gave him because he's very crafty. And I'm gonna have dual monitors, and my Xbox is gonna be hooked up with my PC, and it's gonna be a workstation too. And then eventually, when Zeke gets older, it's homework. Eventually, get a printer over there. But I'm excited. Like really excited.
Like, really.
It's okay.
And he feels like it'll be his own space at home now.
I don't have a
Though
space at home.
He does have space at home.
I don't.
We share. I don't have my own space. We share space.
Your space is the bedroom.
No, it's not. For the longest, I didn't buy bed sheets because you didn't like the bed sheets.
Because my favorite blanket is in a closet, and I love it. It's a monkey blanket that was given to me
I don't
as a
put
gift.
it away.
And it's itchy, and it's not comfortable anymore, but it's sentimental to me.
Yeah, I would never throw that away.
And it's very warm.
I take care of your stuff.
Whatever.
You like to throw your stuff everywhere.
It's something that eventually I'll give to Zeke when he gets older. I made him a blanket too, and I made Pam a blanket.
Yeah. Alright, well. See you later. Hello. 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 We just got sprayed in the nose from Papa. Look at us. I can breathe. I can breathe. Okay. Say bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye. Bum a kiss. Mwah.